Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to create a 60 seconds reel, and if you don't have this feature you'll just have to make sure that your app is fully updated. If it is, and if you still don't have it, you just have to clear the cache and the data and settings, or you can uninstall your app and then install it again and restart your phone. So let's show you how to do it. Here I am on my profile on Instagram, so if I click on this plus icon from the right top corner and click on reel, as you can see here in the left side of the screen we have the second feature, which is length. So here it says music, then 15. If we tap on this icon, it's now a 30 seconds reel, and if we tap again it's 60 seconds. So you just have to hold on this button right here. As you can see at the top of the page it says 60 seconds, 55, 54. So we can now record a 60 second reel. So yeah guys, then you can preview your reel on this button then right click here, next. Then again you have to write your caption, whatever you want, then click next and share it on your Instagram. So that's it guys, I hope you like this video. If you have problems and if you still didn't get your 60 seconds feature, please tell me in the comments and we are happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.